Hey guys, Frontier 4x4 Works out of McKinney, Texas. We are actually on the trails, about to hit it. Gilmer, Texas, Barnwell Mountain. Check out some of the footage. We're about to have a really good time.
I think we all need to do this.
There we go. Now, I want you to start. Ride. Come on. There it is. Straight up and out to the left. Whoa, 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 whoa. That tire goes like that, you never keep going. Okay? That tire's a foot off the ground right now. Back her up. That's the quickest way to flip the two doors. Turn to your right a little bit. You're gonna ride that crack over there up.
Wheeling as hard as we work. 4x4 Works coming out with some good friends, having a grand old time, and wouldn't you know it, we are breaking stuff. Check it out. Man, I just could not stop myself from smoking the lower control arm dang near clean off of this Dana 44 on this Rubicon Jeep. You know what? We're gonna have to call it a day. We're gonna get a trailer coming on by. We're gonna pick it up, take it back to the shop, and see if we can maybe upgrade it. Stand by for some videos on that adventure. Thank you so much to everybody. It's been a great day. We'll catch you next time.